Dodge Challenger V6. It's got the stock converters. Got less than how many miles on it?
2,500.
Less than 2,500 miles. We left the stock resonators and we put Magnaflow Magnapacks in place of the regular mufflers. See how she sounds. Let you guys hear it in a minute. There she is.
And shoot me.
There's the old muffler.
What do you think? The raspy sound. It's not raspy. What the hell? That growl. What's going to give it the growl?
You want the growl?
Yeah.
It's with Magnaflow Magnapacks and still got the stock resonators in the middle. And that's how it's done.